Using the function f of t equals 2t squared plus 3 dt, we are going to find the average rate of change of a bottle rocket from t equals 2 and t equals 15. And so in order to do this, what we need to do is at t equals 2, we're going to plug that into our function up here. So we're going to have 2 times 2 squared plus 3 equals, and then 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. So at t equals 2, the bottle rocket is 11 feet in the air. And then at t equals 15, so 2 times 15 squared plus 3 equals, so we're going to do 15 times 15. That's going to give us 225, and then we're going to times that by 2. Multiply it by 2, and get 450. So at t equals 15, the bottle rocket is, oh, well, hold on, 450 plus 3. So plus 3. So at t equals 15, the bottle rocket is 453 feet in the air. And so next what we have to do is we're going to find the average rate. So AROC equals 453 minus 11, so we're subtracting our total heights, divided by our interval, which is 15 to 2, so 15 minus 2 equals, and that equals 34 feet per second. So that is our average rate of change over the interval. So now we need to find the total distance that our bottle rocket traveled, and in order to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to take the integral of this. So we're going to have integral 15 to 2t squared plus 3 dt, and then we're going to have it at 15 minus 2. And then what we're going to do with this, in order to find the total distance, we're going to use FTC. So f of 15 minus f of 2. And then now what we're going to do is we'll plug that into these equations. We're going to plug in 15, and then we're going to plug in 2, and we're going to subtract those two equations from each other. And we'll get, well, first we take the integral. So have 1 over 13 2/3 t cubed plus 3x. And then that is on our interval of 15 2. And now we can go ahead and plug in this, and we'll get 1 over 13 2/3 times 15 cubed plus 3 times 15, and then minus 2/3 times 2 cubed plus 3 times 2. And then from here we'll go ahead and combine all these, and we'll simplify it down until we'll get 1 over 13, and then 2,250 plus 45, and that is just 3 times 15 is 45, 2/3 times 15 cubed is 2,250, minus 16/3 plus 6. So again, 3 times 2 is 6, 2/3 times 2 cubed is 16/3. And then from here you continue simplifying, so we'll have 1 over 13, 2,250 plus 45 is 2,295. And then 16/3 plus 6 comes out to 34/3. And then once you go ahead and simplify and do all that right there, you get big F of t equals 175.667. Of course, you round to the 3 decibels, and that's feet. And so that means that the total distance that your rocket traveled from the interval of 2 to 15 seconds was 175 feet, or 175.667 feet. And that is how you find the average rate of change and then the total distance.